Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by measuring where your data goes so you can cut the biggest drains. Open Settings, view mobile data, and identify top consumers. You'll act on them next. Once done, enable Low Data Mode or Data Saver to stop apps from refreshing in the background. Also make sure Wi-Fi Assist is off and automatic updates are set to Wi-Fi only, because those background downloads can silently consume hundreds of megabytes each month. You now tighten app-specific controls so savings are real. Go into each high-usage app and restrict background data. Permit only messaging and navigation apps to refresh automatically. Next, lower media quality and disable autoplay inside streaming and social apps. Download playlists or maps on Wi-Fi for offline use. Additionally, use a browser with data compression or switch to site light versions. This reduces transferred bytes without changing how you interact with content. To finish, schedule all app updates, cloud backups, and big downloads to run only on Wi-Fi so no surprise spikes occur. Then set monthly warnings at 80% and hard limits at your plan's cap. This ensures you get alerts before overage. If you still see rapid data loss, restart your phone and reset network settings to clear rogue processes. If problems persist, contact your carrier to check for provisioning errors or suspected unauthorized usage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.